this is the first PCB I designed, which had 16 in and 16 out channels. It worked pretty well. I mean, I had two in each RJ45, that two inputs or outputs or whatever, two pins that were not used. There we go. I knew I'd get it eventually. But anyway, on this version I actually had to do some jumpering, which is not a huge deal. It's just a design flaw. And another thing too is some of my channels were not in order. So it was like 1, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, which was kind of weird. But overall, it worked really well. I used it up until I got the newest version in and put one together, which I'll show you later. So as you can see, it's got 4 of each chip, so that way I can have 2 inputs and 2 outputs per RJ45. And then made it stackable with jumpers, garage, set it up to where it goes directly to the Arduino, or it treats it as a regular channel. So, and also I added my temperature sensors and a watchdog timer output. So that way, once I get all the parts for that, I can set it up to where every 120 seconds and make sure that the Arduino's working okay. And the reason for using the watchdog timer is because if you lose power and the internet goes down, it's going to have troubles. It won't automatically be like, hey, I need to retry connecting to the network or anything like that. So adding the watchdog timer after 120 seconds will be like, oh wait, something's not right, so let's reboot this and see if it'll connect to the network. So that's just an added feature that you don't have to have, but it'll help out in the future. So anyway, that's the latest version, which is 2.2, and it's quite similar in size to the first version. It's a little bit wider and a little bit shorter, so it's pretty close. But there's definitely a lot more going on, as you can see. There's a big difference there. But I'll show you what this looks like all put together in a later